Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to unpair your speaker to your phone, so how can you unpair? Guys, you have paired any Bluetooth speaker device, and friends, you want to unpair this device. So how to unpair in this video, guys, I will show you guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all, you can subscribe the channel, guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all, guys, I will on my phone setting to unpair it. After on phone setting, guys, you can see this type of setting, friends. Scroll it, friends. Hence you can see your more connection setting as tap here. Hence you can see Bluetooth setting as tap here. Hence you can see that we have paired this Bluetooth speaker, the JBL company speaker where we want to unpair right side tap here. Hence you can see phone calls you want to off. Then guys you cannot use guys your phone call setting. You cannot pick up guys video call guys you want to you can off from here. So you can on from here also guys. Again if you on, guys you can see forget option guys tap here to forget means unpair. Then guys you cannot use this device guys. If you use guys you will have to click here, you will have to pair again, then guys you can use this speaker. So we will off it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.